Lahat po ba nag-enjoy ngayong gabi nito? I'm very, very happy po to be here with all of you. Alam niyo po, ito po ang aking, this is my third time here in Japan. The first time po na napunta ako dito was with Mark Bautista, saka si J.R. Yap, at saka si Chris Lawrence. That was in 2006. Tapos, pangalawang punta ko po, 2007. Kasama ko po si Mark din doon. At happy po ako to be back here in Japan to perform for you guys. Maraming po salamat sa pagkakataon. Welcome po sa 12th year anniversary of World Pong Japan and 9th year anniversary of BP Magazine. Wow! And this record-breaking concert po ay special treat po nila para po sa ating lahat. I'm honored na ako naging bahagi ako ng special treat na yan. At ngayong gabi po,
malayo rin naman ako.
ako po ay excited na dahil ngayong gabi, hindi namin talaga sasayang.
Ay, ate, sandali lang ate ha.
Because tonight,
Ikunan ko lang ito,
we
nahihirapan.
are here as one.
Sandali lang ha.
One heart,
Sige,
one
Dad.
soul, as we sing songs that will move us, touch our hearts, songs that will make us remember our loved ones back home. Okay, may tissue po ba ko dyan? Hindi, mag-enjoy po tayo ng disco. At sana po talaga ay magustuhan niyo mag-enjoy po kayo ngayong gabi ito kasi para po sa isip kong gabi